Good morning, students. Let's begin our social science class. Today I am going to explain NCRT Geography, Chapter 1 Resources and Development. There is enough for everyone's need and not for anybody's greed. Gandhiji was very apt in voicing his concern about resource conservation in these words. He placed the greedy and selfish individuals and exploitative nature of modern technology as the root cause for resource depletion at the global level. He was against mass production and wanted to replace it with the production by the masses. Resources, everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs, provided it is technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable, can be termed as resources. Now we are going to see the interdependent relationship between nature, technology, and institutions. The process of transformation of things available in our environment involves an interactive relationship between nature, technology, and institutions. Human beings interact with nature through technology and create institutions to accelerate their economic development. Do you think that resources are free gift of nature as is assumed by many? They are not. Resources are a function of human activities. Human beings themselves are essential components of resources. They transform material available in our environment into resources and use them. Classification resources. Classification of resources. Resources divided into two parts, natural and human. Natural resources further divided into renewable and non-renewable. Renewable, once we use, we can regenerate it. In renewable, again continuous, for example, wind, water, solar, etc. Continuous resources also known as flow. Then the second renewable part is biological. For example, natural vegetation, forest and wildlife. Non-renewable, once we use, we cannot regenerate, like recyclable and non-recyclable. Recyclable means metals that can be recycled again, but non-recyclable, once we use, for example, you are utilizing fuel in your vehicles. Once you use it, not recycle again, whereas metal can recycle again. Then second part of the resources is human. Structure and institution, quantity and quality. Like the skill and unskilled human resources, with the help of technology and institution, turn thing into useful material. Thank you. Now my next video is related to types of resources.